If He is sovereign and He is all-knowing, He knows what is best for me. And surely, because of His sovereignty, He can accomplish what is best for me. Tama ba? Yung circumstansya at tama yung perspective, dadala tayo sa tamang action na laging equal doon sa purpose ng Diyos. Kung siya yung sovereign, makapangyarihan, and loving siya, obviously, ang kanyang heart sa akin is always for my good. So He will not allow anything that is not good for us. Kaya all things work for good for those who love God and walk according to His purpose. Kaya sa halip na magreklamo tayo, ano ba nangyayari sa akin? Teka Lord, mahal mo ako eh. Pinahintulot mo to eh. May purpose ka. So ba't ako magre-reklamo? Dapat nga matuwa ako dahil makikita ko ngayon kung paano mo i-unveil yung surprise mo sa akin.